my channel. So I created this very simple purple look and I'm showing you how I achieved it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a new subscriber here, welcome, and I hope you subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm starting off with an eyeshadow primer as always. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, it's totally fine. You can use a concealer or you can use your foundation. It's just to create a very nice base for your eyeshadows to stick on. And that's just pretty much what the work of an eyeshadow primer is. I do like this. It's very inexpensive, so it's fine. So I'm just going in with a crease brush, and this one is the small pointed one from Real Techniques, and I'm going in with a dark brown eyeshadow, and this is actually meant to create a nice crease color, and this would help the eyeshadows transition properly because today is purple eyeshadow, so you have to ensure that the crease is well laid, basically, because you want the colors to transition very smoothly. You don't want a demarcation line to be seen whatsoever. And to create or achieve this properly, you need the right brushes. So this is a pointed crease brush. I'm going in again with an orange color, well, like a dark orange color. Now this actually mutes out, or it blends well with the dark brown color that I put on earlier, and this together makes a very nice color. Then I'm going in with a blending brush, and this is from MAC, and this would fuse the two colors together into one. So again, you're not going to see any lines of demarcation. You're going to see it'll be like you put on just one color, which you can, but I like putting in two colors. Now I'm going in for the lid color, and it is purple. This is a purple without glitter, and that's the first shade I'm going to go in with, and I love purple eyeshadows. So you can use tapping motions, but I'm just using the spreading motion this time around, and I'm just laying it on the lid. And as usual, once I'm happy with the lid, I'm going to take it upwards to meet with the crease. So that's where the colors will transition into each other and you would not see any demarcation. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Just make sure that you're happy with what you're seeing. Don't take it up too much, just enough to create a nice color. Then I'm going in back with my crease brush and putting in a little bit of the dark brown color, not too much, and I'm blending out the edges of the purple eyeshadow, as you can see, so that way it doesn't look like there's too much purple. Then I'm going in with the glitter, which is the fun part, and this is the Beautonomy palette, and make sure the brush is wet or moist because that would help it pick up the glitter. Now my camera was messing up, it could not deal with all the shine from the glitter, and as you can see, it is not focusing properly, but it's totally fine. So I'm just laying it on top of just the lid color. I'm not going to take it off because it would look super weird. But just on the lid color, there's already some purple in the crease, so it looks good. It would all come together when I put eyeliner. But yeah, this is a look I was trying to achieve. And then I'm going to go in for my brow bone highlight with a small pointy brush, and I'm using a brow bone color. So this actually helps to bring together the whole look, and I'm putting it above my brow bone. I'd have put some concealer anyway to outline my brows, and that would just help it look a whole lot more seamless, as you can see. So I just lay it down from the top to the bottom, and then it just looks good. With the eyeliner, this is my favorite. I love felt tip eyeliners. I'm going to start from the middle and then draw my wing following the natural shape of my eyes, and then I'm going to draw a second line, and that would be the wing for us. So you can stop there, but I'm just going to complete the whole eyeliner look. I still haven't done my video on eyeliners. I actually filmed one, but I didn't like it, so that's why I haven't uploaded it. So hopefully I'll do one very soon, and it'll be easy to follow. And if you ever wanted a tutorial like that, hopefully that will be helpful. But this is just the basics, really. Follow your natural eye shape, use a felt tip, especially in the beginning, and it'll be very easy to control. And that's it, smooth line up there. And then, as usual, my mascara. I still don't know how to put on fake lashes properly. I mean, I can put it on, but it's just too much of a hassle. And I just, I do it on days when I really want to go out or when I really want to look so good. But in the meantime, I just use my mascara. So I'm going in to the other side, and this time around, I wonder if we can do it together. I'm just going to leave the music on, and I'm doing exactly the same thing just so you can enjoy the look, and I won't say too much anymore, okay? So this is the finished look, as you can see, and it is a very simple look. That's pretty much the look. It is very beginner's friendly and very easy. I'll list all the products I use in the description box so you can check there. Thank you very much. Bye.